This is so incredibly fun.
Hey everyone, it's Jess and you're watching Sound Mind Adventures. Well, 2021 is over and it's been another challenging year for most of us, but you know, we're learning to navigate through all the craziness of the world, and I just hope you all are doing well. And I hope we're starting to see again what really matters in life. What's really important is the strength of our relationships with our friends and our family. It's way more important than our political ideologies and our affiliations. And I just really hope that 2022 is a year of further healing in every sense of the word. You know, as for me, it's been an incredible year. It's, you know, lots of adventure, lots of growth. Sadly, some heartbreak as well. Been a year filled with motorcycle camping, terrible camping food, travel, my son graduating from college, which is awesome, and 23 incredible days backpacking the John Muir Trail deep in the backcountry of the Sierra Mountains here in California. I camped at the Lake of the Lone Indian last night. So that is Marie Lake behind me. It's absolutely beautiful. I did take a stab at creating my first documentary style video about my backpacking trip. You can check that out here, and I'm also going to include a link to that in the description. So 2022 is before us. That holds a potential for a lot more adventure. For me, that means more YouTube. During my backpacking trip, I reflected on a lot of things. During that time, I was totally unplugged from social media. I was unplugged from the news and all the superficial and political noise of the world. You know, upon returning to normal life, you know, I'm not gonna lie, it was difficult to reconnect. I wanted more of the peace and the quiet and the serenity that I had found in the mountains. So if it seemed like I ghosted YouTube, you're right, I kind of did. But you know, I needed that time away, and afterwards I needed to really regroup, and I hope you can understand. Another one of the year's highlights was riding my motorcycle to Overland Expo in Flagstaff, Arizona. Good morning, everybody. So it's the first day of Overland Expo West and looking forward to a great day. Just got up, made some coffee, gonna go socialize for a little bit. Got to see my friend Amanda Zitto, which is always awesome, and got to meet some amazing people in the motorcycle community, some of whom included Tim and Marissa Notier of Notier's Frontiers. You can check them out on YouTube. They are an amazing couple that travel the world two up on a KTM. I also got to meet Pete and Lisa West, just amazing folks who are just really engaged and supportive in the motorcycle community, and Jenny Morgan of Rally Raid. That was actually pretty cool. I didn't document much of this trip because I didn't stay as long as I had hoped I would. I ended up leaving early due to impending bad weather. I realized right then and there that my lightning experience on the John Muir Trail affected me a lot more than I realized, because the thought of riding through the desert in the thunder and lightning just terrified me. So then a few months ago, I got injured. I actually had to buy a cane and use that to get around. A time where I was really worried that my adventures were going to come to an end. You know, this was the first time an injury had affected me so much mentally. So now I will talk about what most of you are here for. As the year started coming to a close, I started thinking about my life here in California, in the desert, and how I really want to appreciate and experience more adventures while the temperatures are tolerable. And I've been thinking about a new motorcycle for the past few years, especially since in recent times I've really experienced limitations of taking my Honda CRF300L off the pavement. Okay, all right, it happened. I had a few small dual sport motorcycles in mind, which included the Yamaha TW200, the XT250, which would be great bikes with their lower seat height. But I also considered the KLX 250 and the Honda CRF 250 or 300. These are bikes that are on the taller side for me. But you know, either way, I knew it was time for me to actively start looking for my next motorcycle, which would serve as a light ADV bike and enable me to explore more back roads, and most importantly, to develop my off-road skills. Finally, I decided what bike I wanted, but I didn't realize how unavailable these bikes were. I called all the dealerships in my area within a 2-hour radius and was told like nothing was available, but of course they would gladly take a deposit and put me on the waiting list. Until the last place I called, when I had pretty much just given up, said that they had just received one and they hadn't put it on the showroom floor yet. It wasn't the exact model I was looking for, but you know, I did know this bike was going to be gone by morning, so I knew I had to act fast.
So this is my 2021 Honda CRF300L Rally with ABS. Originally I was looking for the standard 300L with plans on upgrading the fuel tank and adding a windscreen. But with the availability issues and the sharp, sexy looks of the Rally, I decided to pull the trigger and bring this baby home.
Oh man, this is so incredibly fun. I need to get better at this though. Oh man, definitely more confidence inspiring than the CB500X.
So thank you everyone for watching my video. I wish all of you a 2022 full of adventure and healing and kindness and good health, good intentions and growth and all the good things. Take care everyone, and catch my next video where I'm going to talk to you about the mods that I've done to the bike so far and things that I plan on doing. So thanks again everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one.